Okay, so this video is going to be on writing the equation of the quadratic in standard form. So the first thing you need to remember is that standard form is f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. And then you need to remember a couple of things about this, that h and k represent your vertex. A tells you whether you open up, down, normal, narrow, or wide, okay? So if I want to write an equation in standard form, I can be given the vertex, which is, let's say in my example, it's 5, 12. And then I can also be given a point that's on the parabola. And I'm going to be given the point 7, 15. And all I'm going to do is use this form and plug in everything that I know. So I know the vertex, which I know is h, so I'm going to replace h with 5, and 12. So I'm going to have f of x equals a x minus h, which is 5, squared, plus k, which is 12. Now, I still need to figure out what a is, because that's part of standard form. Now, they gave me this point, 7, 15. Well, this is an ordered pair. We know an ordered pair is x, y. So if I take this 7 and replace it with x, okay, 15 is my f of x, or my output. So I'm going to say 15 equals a 7 minus 5 squared plus 12, okay? Now it's just simple algebra because I only have one thing that I don't know, and then if I figure that out, I can go up and plug it in. So 7 minus 5 squared is 2 squared plus 12. Well, 2 squared is 4. That is multiplied by a. And right here, when I see people make mistakes, they do not attach this 4 to just the a. You would say that this is 16a on one side, and then you're going to get your a value wrong. So now I'm going to make sure that I attach this squared number to just the a, and this is just a plain number at the end. So I'm going to take 12 away from each side, okay, and so my a value is going to be 3/4. So this equation in standard form, I'm going to go right back up here, and I'm just going to put my a value in. So f of x equals 3/4 x minus 5 squared plus 12. And then remember, you can tell me a lot of information about this. You can tell me the vertex. It's 5, 12. You can tell me that this graph opens up, and you can tell me that it is wider. So that is a very quick video on how to write the equation of a quadratic in standard form. You will be given a vertex and a point, and you just use them in your standard form.